Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to sign out of your account on Microsoft Outlook on the desktop application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application, Microsoft Outlook. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad. Go to the Microsoft Outlook application. Search for this. Open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, you should see that we have accounts signed in within the application. The purpose of this tutorial will be to sign out of an account. If I were to now, let's say, go to the top toolbar, go to File, or go to Outlook, go to Preferences, now go to Accounts. Let's now click on the first account. We want to make admin the default account. So how do I do that? Let's now set as default. So we will be signing out of Rayhan@ComputerScienceVideos.com. So how do I do that? Go to the account, click on it, and now click on the minus sign. Are you sure you want to sign out of this account? Yes, I am. Click on sign out. This will now sign the account out of the desktop application. So now if I were to, let's just say, close preferences, quit Outlook, go all the way down to the dock again, go to Outlook. You would then be required to sign into your account. If you haven't already, you can follow the previous tutorial where I demonstrated to the user how to sign into the account. And so we can now quit Outlook. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.